All right, cool. Today we got 92, 93, Upper Deck, NBA basketball, low series. We got some Jordans. We got Wilt, maybe. There's a cool Magic and Bird card. There's some holograms, definitely, hopefully. 20 packs, 27 a pack. So I guess we're not going to get as many inserts, but hopefully some the cool cards, some Jordans and whatnot. Yeah, like hat time. It's also 9 o'clock. Get in there. Rowdy, violent maneuvers. So excited. Why are squares just so much cooler than the flat ones to me? I don't know why. They're just taller. Alright. No more blades. Yep, feel packy. Yep, definitely pack-like feel. 100% packs of basketball cards. Oh, just gotta feel the heft just one time. Oh man. Krugerrands. Alright. See how many times I can rearrange that. What are the odds on here? That's all odds. Holograms, 1 in 18. Is that a Braille? No. 1 in 81. Whoa! SP1. That's a Magic and Bird. 1 in 81 packs? Is that for real? Nick, team MVP. Yeah, buddy. Johnny Dawkins. These are nice. It's a nice looking card. Traded card. It's almost like a traded hologram. Temporary, good pile. Something nice. Press Kortjani. Draft choice checklist. Oh, that's cool. You can do no wrong with the Denver outfits. Bowie. Classic driving Sam Bowie. Yeah! Man, that looks good. That's good Ewing. That's a good Ewing. I like that Ewing. Cliffy, that's a good Cliffy too. This is off to a great start. Sounds like a movie poster. It looks touched up or something. I never collected this set. I guess I retired the year before too. Ryan Shaw, who are you yamming on? Oh, we got Jordan. Oh, no. Sorry, Mr. Shaw. Should frame that. DC. Doherty, you did your best. That night in Orlando. Double Orlando. Whew. It's like a weekend in Orlando, I guess, huh? Mark. Gary Grant. Always get a nice little Gary Grant. I remember him from such packs as everyone I opened, but I don't remember him actually on the court. I don't think the Clips got a lot of Sunday afternoon action, no. When I was growing up. That's cool. Suck me in with a little cool air on the monochromes. Price. Light up. Eric Murdoch. Oh, you did a lot, didn't you, bud? Made us proud. Draft, Lee Mayberry. Okay, they're doing some weird stuff to the cards. I don't know about this now. And I like the player. I like what they've done. I don't like the player. I'm not so sure. I'm sure that's quite telling in itself. Vlade. Oh, Yakov Smirnov. I definitely did not think you were the same person for 2 years. Hall of Famer. Goose Pal. Jiglet Man. Chris Morris. Alright. It's a little offhand action. That's a cool Stockton. I like the Stockton. Mr. Carr. Man, I would take Ed Davis. Trade it to the Pacers. How could they? Chuck Person laying it up. Wonder how many attempts he really did get in there. Dell? I like you, Dell. You know that. Key. Brandon. All right. I'll stretch it up here. Move it out. All right. This one smells good. I've been ignoring the flavors. Sealed funk. Worthy team card. Oh. Jordan. Scoring threats. Jordan and Pippen. Sweet. He's pretty excited. Alright, that's the first one with the man's face on it. Ori, draft. Alright. KJ team card. Alright. Couple cars already. I like you, Chris Jackson. You're tired of hearing me say that too. Ben Rice was cool. Don't be afraid to give me something decent in this pack. Big Anthony. Oh, I think I was just being generous with the KJ there. Do I know what a good pack even smells like anymore? Inside I should be smelling. Smells like Sam Mitchell, but I'll open it anyway. Hey, Jordan checklist. That's a cool shot. MJ and Shays when he was still in like his nerd phase. I like it. Scoring threats. Well, short term. Malik Sealy. All right. Chief. Robinson. Is that an award? Oh, it's just something yellow down there. And what'd you come in at? Like 24 and 12? Okay. I could have traded that in for a Shaq in the year nobody cares. Let's see how many Shaqs 1Bs I would have got. You know, the guy did say there's Shaqs in this set. And then I was like, what the hell? Because I didn't know. And he was like, oh, I put Shaq question mark? So, like, I didn't say. But he did give me some money back. Oh, Cliffy. Because, you know, the influence of the 4 people watching this. Thank you for choosing this method of curing your insomnia. Man, you just know you're going to have a good game. Check this D. Larry Johnson. All right, all right. Is that year 2? It could have been. Hope you last as long as Chuck did and not him. All right. That's 4 packs down. 1 trade upper deck Shaq. Couple Demi Jordans. Jordan with Shades, Jordan with Pippen. How about Jordan's error card? There's some kind of error card this year. I wonder if it's in the series. 1 or 2. High or low? I'm going to look at the one in color. Oh, effective. Tom Chambers. I like those for now. Peeler. There's a Shaq. Is there really 9,000 of those things or what? Or am I just a million years late? Don McClain. Oof. Double Don McClain? That's why you get the jumbo packs. Yep. Pippen. I really didn't like you. People want to remember you the way they do. I want to hope you were cool. Good on you. I'm not going to tattle. But I was there. Gatling. Cool Bernard King. Kind of went weird, didn't you, dude? Third person talking. Oh, that's a cool Rodman. Many a Purvis. Many a Purvis. All right. Gone with you. Quarter of the way through. 5 bricks. All right. How do you rate some stupid Shaq card that's not real? Can you grade that? Knicks. Do I love you or hate you? Why are you so annoying? Ooh, cool Drazen. Nice. I didn't know we got that love in his day, Tracy Murray. Okay, here's your rookie card. We'll put you there for a moment, just so your parents can see. You go in the good pile. Who needs an education, Bob Lanier? Cool, cool, cool. Okay, Magic retires. That's a cool card. SP1. Whoa, that's 1 in 81 packs, bro. Okay. Okay. Is that the one they said 1 in every 81 packs? Pretty sure that is. All right. Guarantee you there's a better way to do that, but all right. And Bird retires. This is 1 in 81 packs, it said. That's wow. Nice. 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 I'm sorry to dwell, gang, but holy schmoly. SP1 card. SP1 card. 180 in 81 packs. There it is. Sweet. Well, here I am trashing Shaqs and whatnot. There's no way those are worth anything, but. Alright. Alright, I don't even know what to do with that. Let's put it in the what's up pile. What's up pile? Alright. Did I just ditch the rest of those or what? Yeah, I did. Panic. Dude, in 1989, I pulled a Fleer. Oh, double Chris Jackson, that's 3. Fleer Ken Griffey Jr. Had it in my hand when I was riding my bike home. Wiped out on my bike. The odds of me wiping out on my bike were better than 1 in the 81 of pulling that SP1 pack card. I should not have done it. Spurs, Vinny. Get the super extra tall guy sitting down. I like it. Mr. Wingate. All right. That's that pack. All right. So, yeah. I'm not even smelling anymore. I'm so slick that I swapped another pack in here when I took it off camera. See, I would like that these came apart so I didn't have to risk damaging the treasure. Leitner, I'm gonna check the back so I don't hold on to it too long if it's good. Oh, hey. Let's look at Corciani for a little while longer. And here's a Jordan. It's not centered, but it's cool. It's a beaut. Well, that's the kind of fish we want, but we want a little bit of a prettier one. Marcus Liberty is a good name. Stockton again? You're cool. Peyton? Yeah. I'd count that. Just count it. Give Marcus Liberty a compliment. He'll just hang around forever, huh? Johnny Dawkins. You were team set face good. Rick Fox. Fancy pass guy. Just never really settled on the hairstyle, eh? This has done nothing. Vanessa Williams back in the day? On fire. All right. MJ team MVP. Hold on. Mouth open, no tongue. Of course Ewing's in there. Why you gotta do Ewing like that? Constantly with the doing of Ewing like that. Big smooth. Rex. I think it's the next year he just went bald. Hey, Magic. Is that 33A? 33, 32. Of course it's 32A. Duh. That's a cool card. You're so cool you're going in the Jordan pile. Is that a good idea? Are they cool or not? I don't know. I don't think they were. That is a nice Magic, though. Reggie Lewis, you're so good. I just have so many Reggie Lewis cards. That's a cool Chief. Michael Cage. Marshall Wallace. Anthony, Herb, and Mason. Well, I'm gonna got to put a map down here. I did. I forgot. Once you're there, I don't think you're straight to the case. You can wait till the turn, I think. But, cool. Come on, darling. They want you to bend them. It's like they want you to bend the corners. Is that the way they try to half-ass control the overpopulation? Just to make sure you smashed them. Okay, Zoe draft. Yep, so you made it, but oh, another 33. Hey. In that case, are you cool or not? Hey, back-to-back MVPs. Okay, Jay Humphries, take a little seat. Regular season and finals. Screen grab that. Oh, you didn't? You're fine. Hey, little Barkley. Going up on Mutombo. Frozen. And there's Mutombo. Alright. But Max sleeping. I just assume Winston Garland is Darius Garland's father, but seems to be playing the odds unnecessarily. Horace. Angry Horace. Good one. I mean, not good, but good. Larry Smith. Moses. Pretty cool. Life. I remember. Actually, I never saw Moses when you were dominant. I never saw. I read all about it, though. Saw a thing or two. All right. Last pack for the turn. Oh, there. Wax didn't fight back, but it didn't fight back enough. What's up, Chuck? Pretty centered. That's worth 50 cents to somebody. 6 million point man. NBA. Oh, that's Ogman. Plastic man. Oh boy. Stockton. I like that one. I do. Marley. Dream? What's up, Dream? That's the first Dream. With Admiral in there? I like it. Oakley. Look at that. It's a sweet layup style. Did it go in? Don't tell me. Jackson and Doug Smith. All right. Tidying it up. First half down. See you in a minute. All right. Cleanup time is over. Stats from the first haul. On base, MJ. Crooked but nice. Scoring threats, MJ and Pippen. Team MVP. Back-to-back MVP. Regular season and NBA finals. There's another team MVP. How many do you get, bud? Team MVP checklist. Oh, that's the whole checklist. Here's that beauty SP1 card guy. And girl. Bird and Magic. There's a couple Magics, 33A. There's a Zoe. That corner's weird. For some reason. And there's a couple wannabe Shaqs. They want to be Shaq 1Bs. I'm going to send in. Be patient. See how it goes. I'll update you when they get back to me and tell me. Alright. Piles. Alright. And here's other ones I like. Okay, so. Alright. Alright, so that's a no thank you pile. I'm gonna see The no thank you pile after this batch is better. All right. Here we go. Oh, great start. Keeping positive will work out for me. Alright. I like those little scoring threats cards. Gugliotta. You were good. The draft sets cards. Kind of nice. Little Pippin team action. Others you could play. Todd Day. No. Teddy Porter. Got around the Admiral. Attaboy. King Spud. Oh, that's a good Rodman. Muggsy. Every bull. Oh, Beam Teamer. Ken Norman. Every bull not named Michael or Scotty. It's just a massive disappointment. You're doing what I'm doing. Less than spectacular. So what, is one hologram too much to ask for, or was it 1 in 18 packs? And jumbo packs are the same frequency. I guess that's the whole deal. Like, you get more chance at, like, base cards, but in a box. What, less chance at inserts? Did I just make that up? Scoring threats. Stocked in them all. Are your draft card, Hubert? Alright, fine. Maybe I'll see how many of those I can collect. Maybe I can collect the whole set. Substitute. You too. No. Hey, bloody. That's good. There's some kind of error with him in this set, I think, right? Maybe? Let's see. DC. Bimbo and Doc. Cartoon characters. That's the first, Mikhail. Mr. Ewing, how have you been? You're not even looking. You're looking at Horace Grant. That's a warning. It's not a threat. And you gotta move. Camp. First camp. Double camp. Double camp. Aguirre. Who would you have been today? Who's the Mark Aguirre of today? Nobody asked me. I don't know. Gym less. Should have hit the gym more. I might have heard of you. Cheap shot. I hope you're still alive. Gym less. Is that how you punish me? Double up. I'm the captain. Fine, get in there. Camp. Crazy camps. Crazy camps. It's Camp Fest 92. Is that? Oh, Isaiah, you can get smudgy. Regie? Really? this Reggie? I don't remember you activating that mode. Do hand, dunk, and scream. Is there something cool in here? Let's just chill. Let's just chill. Let's just chill. Oh, this is a Wilt Chamberlain card that I'm going to put away. Not so many of those Wilt Chamberlain cards. This will be the first one. It's a little thick, it's a little glossy. All right, so 30,000 point plateau, 71, 72. And there's a story of Wilt. I'm dropping here because it's rare. Is it worth anything? Who knows? But when in doubt, do what I would have done the year it came out. Get fired up and put it away. Try not to smash the corners. All right, basketball heroes. You go in the basketball hero pile. Wait, hey, Barry. Burkowski got the team card. You got to be kidding me. Okay, that's a hockey player. I know Adam Keefe, but that's a hockey jersey, hockey pose. So some get drawings and some get technology. All right. I'll take a good drawing over technology, but chances. I need to be still more careful when I think these. Okay, all right. Meet in the middle there, guys. All right. Treacherous. I have some camps in this. I like the cards, but the packages aren't actually aging as well as the cards. Well, I ain't getting rich here, but this is fun. For me. You know what? I'm gonna drop you in the good pile while I can. The wheels. Yeah, you're a Portland guy, really. No. You're the most Celtic-y Celtic, whoever Celtic. Another draft card checklist. Oh, shoot, did I? Okay. There it is again, folks. SP1. Supposed to be one and then every 81 packs. You know what? I'm going to listen to science and not my own experience here and treat this as awesome. When this card came out, I was still missing these guys pretty hard. I'd already been missing Magic's goatee for 3, no, no. When was that? That was 89. Was that the same year Kareem retired? Okay. All right. Another Magic and Bird retire. SP1, y'all. That one's gonna cost you an extra nickel. That Rodman's, I've got too many, but there's no way. There's no way I can put you in. John Starks with the dopest card you ever had. Oh, Ewing. He's just used to it. He's just like, hammer, don't hurt him. Oh, man. Have I seen this yet? I've seen some kind of Starks. Is there 2 Starkses? Nice. You didn't go low, really. You were quite up front about your shenanigans. Rasmussen. Oh. Reggie and Drazen back to back. They would have been Splash Brothers. Oh. Let me think about that for a second. You put somebody with like a high post big. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, friggin' Brad Daugherty could unlock that. Oh. Alright, alright. Alright. Yeah. That's a handsome man. Corey. Oh, maybe a draft thing. Oh, nice. That's a great shot, too. Oh, pardon me. Bimba, DC. What are you doing? Okay, Pippin. Yep. A lot of Alex Kesslers in here. How did that work out? Should I be Googling? Ooh, Jordan. Why? Looks like his fingertips are coming over the border. Okay. One hologram would be nice. And a base Jordan would be nice. Let's $250. That's a lot of card. It's a brick of cards for $250. I hate that I can't blame anybody else for the condition of cards. Well, you know what? Sometimes they just do come out messed up. I like the 6 million point man card. Rex. Corey Williams. Yeah. I still don't get it. You never should have left New York. I mean, how long were you even there? My goodness. Alarming. Here's another Bob Lanier. Everyone needs something or other. Draws him. Sleepy. The game, James. Nice one, Horace. Is that another Steve? I don't know. What is it? There's something weird. Is it a hologram? It's you, Duncan. It's two of you, Duncan. I won't catch more bodies. It's a lot of KJs. I'll revisit the KJ count. Nice. What a great guy you are. Beam Teamer, Ken Norman. Stacey King. And yeah. All right. Man, a lot. Uh-oh. It is like a proper deck of cards. Worthy Team MVP, another Bob Lanier. I like that Drawson team card. Another 6,000 point. 6 million point, man. Double Brian Williams. What be Scott in here? So I had one more kind of half-ass Jordan after I put Magic on his pile, right? I had one. Like, that wasn't... This is packing over. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. No, they're so long. It might not have been just hours ago. I'd take another Zoe. I'd take... Definitely want like 3 more MJs. One Hologrizzle. Give me somebody good. Award winners, I guess they're all some kind of good. I mean, last time I got Detlef. He's some kind of good by definition. Double Andrew Lang. Let's talk about it. Okay, so there's a Jordan MVP. I don't think it's the All-Star MVP. It's just the, well, it's the back-to-back MVP again. And continuing. Okay. Wilt Chamberlain Basketball Hall of Fame. It's already got a piece out of it, which seems impossible, but too glossy to handle. Yeah, it's got a piece out of the top already, right in the middle of it. How is that possible? How, like, honestly. Ugh. Right off the top. I don't. I. Is that like? Is that just black bordered life? Like I guess that's just it, huh? What a bummer though. Like right out the pack, right in the middle. That's not a corner that I did something to. It's messed up. It's messed up. I tells you. If I lean him this way, no, there's no way. Guarantee there's a better way to do this, but I don't know if that one's on me. Second year, LJ. Second year. How many bimbos do I need? Okay. Those are all the same. Scotty. Alright. Doc and Derek. Okay. Bummed out about the Wilt. Bummed out about it. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Yeah, there's two different. I don't know. Oh, look at your fat artist registering face. Just hard away. Why wouldn't they call you Benoit? Toddy Polta. That's good, Hardaway. Hold on. That's 2 years in a row. Or no, that's two different sets that he had that weird effect on his face. Oh, the house. All right, last pack. Hologram will be good. One more base MJ. One more. I mean, is that too much? I think I got my quota. You know what? Maybe I got my quota of those magic cards that probably aren't worth anywhere near as much the magic and first ones. But the time would be lucky duck. Right. That's a lot of Serena's Martial bonuses. This is. Moni. Otis Thorpe. You get the team card this year, bud. Handle Cat. More Stricklands, more Corey Williams. Toddy Polta. Perkins. Oh, Spud. Maybe this way up a little better. Reggie, alright. Brooks. Nice. Travis Mays, and the last couple of cards, Johnny Newman, and another Sharice Marshallonis. I'll do a recap in 1 or 3 seconds. Got time. Start with the Jays. One base. Team MVP checklist. Team MVP. Michael and Scotty. A couple MVPs. Say 2. Boo. Alright, set specific stuff. We got Larry and Magic. That's a wicked card. 181 packs, not worth anything, but it's still wicked to pull that kind of stuff. A couple Magics, little series only. Didn't get a bird. Wish I got a bird. Did get a bird. 2 Wilts. Ooh. Basketball heroes. And we got 1 Zoe rookie in the first half. Looks fine. Actually, no, the corner sucks. How? Why? I don't know. And a couple of Shaqs I'm going to mail off. I can't wait. Can't wait to get my Shaqs in the mail. First half deuce pile. First half I like you pile. Second half deuce pile. Second half I like you pile. A little bit more here, a little bit less here. Way down in the valued stuff. One Jordan in the second half. Was that 270 cards? One Jordan. These Steve Smiths are the corrected version. And there you got it. We got Ewings. We got MJ. Magic. Bird. Wilt Chamberlain. 0 holograms. 0 Shaqs. But there's 2 in the mail, right, guy? This is how it works, right? Yeah. Peace. Can't wait for the mail, man. See ya.